What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to format text in Microsoft Word. Formatting text is crucial as it helps you make your documents look professional and can significantly improve readability. Whether you're working on a business report, a study essay, or even a simpler letter, knowing how to effectively format your text can make a big difference. First, let's dive into how to change the font of your text, which is a basic yet powerful way of giving your document a fresh look. Open your document in Microsoft Word and select the text you want to change. Navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Font group, you see a drop-down menu where you can choose from various installed fonts. Select one that suits your document's purpose. Next, adjusting the font style can emphasize important points or sections. Still under the Font group of the Home tab, you can make your text bold, italic, or underline it by clicking the respective buttons. These options are also accessible through the mini toolbar that appears when you highlight text, which makes for quicker editing. Color is another tool at your disposal to draw attention or organize information. In the Font group, click the Font Color button. It looks like a letter A with a color stripe underneath. A palette appears, allowing you to select the desired hue for your text. Changing the font size is essential for readability. Directly beside the font style options in the Font group, there is a box with a number in it. This is your font size. After selecting the text whose font size you wish to change, you can either type a new size into this box or use the increase and decrease buttons located next to it to adjust the size incrementally. Highlighting text can make it stand out for emphasis. In the Font group, click on the Text Highlight Color button. It's marked by a pen tip with a highlight. After selecting your text to highlight, choose a color from the palette that pops up to apply to your selected text. If you ever need to remove formatting from a selected text, such as styles, colors, or sizes that have been applied, use the Clear Formatting button. This can be found in the Font group as depicted as an eraser over the letter A. Clicking this will revert the text to the default formatting. Lastly, changing the case of your text can be useful for titles or to fit stylistic preferences. In the Font group, find the Change Case button, which displays as an AA. Clicking it will drop down options to switch between uppercase, lowercase, title case, and other variations. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.